Hi, my name is Marcello Bikecki, Chief Technology Officer with StreetScore. In today's video, I'm going to show you about one of the most useful features in ShootPro Cloud, and that is the Announcements module. With Announcements, we are able to notify shooters to come to the office or publish important announcements to the rolling scoreboard. We can also link our announcements with shooters to ensure that if we need a shooter for something and they come to the window, we can ensure that we do not miss them. From the Shoot dashboard, click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner. Then go into the Utilities menu and select Announcements. From here, you can click the plus icon and provide your announcement a title. This is what will be publicly seen on the rolling scoreboard. Next, you'll fill in the details. These are publicly visible details about the announcement. Next, you can fill in the internal notes. These are notes that are only visible by staff. In this case, I'm going to leave that empty. Then here we have two choices, Show Announcement and Hide Announcement. This will show or hide the announcement from the rolling scoreboard. We also have the option to make this a public or an internal announcement. If it's an internal announcement, only cashiers will be able to see it and it will not be published on the web. Below that, we have the link shooter section. If we click on that, we can search a shooter by name. In this case, Steve Bikecki. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now he is linked. And let's say, what if I come into the office and I need to pass this message along to Steve? I'm also going to link myself with the announcement. So now both of us are linked with the announcement. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Then we get an announcement at the bottom of every screen on ShootPro Cloud saying that there is a new announcement. If I go ahead and open up squatting, and let's say that I pull up myself, I can see that I am linked with an announcement. So the box pops up, shooter is linked with an announcement. If I click on the details, I can see that on event 9, Stephen Bikecki needs to come to the office because he cannot fit. And if I try to pull up Stephen, I get the same message. Let's say that we have an internal note. We're going to go back to Utilities, Announcements, and add a new announcement. Now I'm creating a new announcement asking Mike to come to cashiering. I am just leaving the details very vague, but I'm providing some details in the internal notes. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now let's try to find Mike in squatting. When he comes up, a notice comes in that says Mike Winograd to cashiering. If we click on that, we'll see the public details, and then we'll see our internal note. However, it's blurred. If I click or hover on the internal note, it will tell me why Mike is being requested to come to cashiering. Once again, I can click OK and then continue on. Now let's take a look at how to delete an announcement. If I click on the hamburger menu, go back to Utilities and Announcements, I can click on any one of these existing announcements, and then I can select Delete Announcement. It'll ask me if I'm sure. In this case, I am sure that I would like to delete this announcement, so I'm going to click Yes. And now the announcement has been deleted. I'm going to do the same thing here. And then let's say that we would like to edit an announcement. I can click on the announcement. This is an internal announcement, which means that only cashiers will be able to see it. And I'm going to change it from Test 3 to Please do not issue refunds for the Calcutta. Under Details, I'm going to say, and then I'll click Save after updating the announcement details. Now let's take a look at how announcements look at the bottom of the rolling scoreboard. They just constantly scroll by at a consistent speed customizable by the user. Every announcement that is marked as public will show up at the bottom of the screen.
If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, or contact us via the club dashboard. Additional resources are available in the video description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to see when we post new tutorials, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new content. Thank you for watching.